Japan, land of the rising sun. A nation where ancient traditions dance with futuristic dreams, where the whisper of silk blends with the neon glow of modernity. Step into a world of captivating contrasts and timeless beauty. Imagine strolling down a bustling city street, skyscrapers kissing the clouds above. Suddenly you turn a corner and there it is, a serene temple untouched by time. Incense drifts through the air, a soothing balm to the city's hurried pace. This is Japan, a tapestry woven from threads of old and new. We'll explore iconic landmarks, those picture-perfect postcards come to life. But we'll also delve deeper, venturing off the beaten path. Discover hidden hot springs tucked away in emerald valleys, ancient festivals brimming with vibrant folklore, and local craftspeople keeping age-old traditions alive. So open your senses and let your curiosity guide you. Our virtual odyssey through Japan starts now. Our journey begins with Japan's most iconic symbol, Mount Fuji. Majestic and serene, this snow-capped peak has inspired artists, poets, and pilgrims for centuries. Its presence looms large, a constant reminder of nature's raw power and ethereal beauty. Picture this, the sun rising, casting a golden glow over Fuji's slopes. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and earth. As you gaze upon this majestic mountain, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and tranquility wash over you. Hikers from all walks of life embark on the arduous climb to its summit, seeking enlightenment and breathtaking views. Whether you choose to admire its beauty from afar or challenge yourself to reach its summit, Mount Fuji is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Japan's shores. It's a testament to the country's deep connection with nature and the enduring power of ancient wonders. From the tranquility of Mount Fuji, we shift gears to the electric energy of Tokyo. A sprawling metropolis where tradition and technology collide, Tokyo is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Prepare to be amazed by its sheer scale, its vibrant street life, and its unique blend of old and new. Imagine navigating a crosswalk in Shibuya, the world's busiest intersection. Thousands of people from all walks of life converge, a sea of humanity flowing in perfect harmony. The air buzzes with the energy of 1,000 conversations, a symphony of urban chaos. But Tokyo is also a city of contrasts. Step away from the neon-lit skyscrapers and discover quiet backstreets lined with traditional wooden houses. Indulge in the city's culinary delights, from Michelin-starred restaurants to tiny ramen shops tucked away in alleyways. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Next, we journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan. Here, history comes alive in its meticulously preserved temples, traditional tea houses, and the gentle rustling of silk kimonos. Kyoto is a city where you can truly immerse yourself in the heart and soul of traditional Japan. Imagine strolling through the serene Arashiyama bamboo grove, the sunlight dappling through the towering stalks, creating an ethereal glow. Or picture yourself wandering through the vibrant orange gates of Fushimi Inari Shrine, each gate a testament to the enduring power of faith. Take your time to explore the city's many temples, each one a masterpiece of traditional architecture and a testament to Japan's rich spiritual heritage. Kyoto invites you to slow down, savor each moment, and appreciate the beauty of a culture that has thrived for centuries. While iconic landmarks offer a glimpse into Japan's soul, it's often the lesser-known destinations that reveal its true magic. Venture off the beaten path, and you'll discover hidden hot springs nestled in emerald valleys, ancient forests whispering with folklore, and charming villages frozen in time. Imagine soaking in a traditional onsen, the steam rising from the mineral-rich waters as you gaze out at a breathtaking mountain vista. Or picture yourself hiking through the ancient cedar forests of Yakushima Island, where towering trees, some over 1,000 years old, create a mystical atmosphere. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into a side of Japan often missed by the casual traveler. They invite you to connect with nature, experience the warmth of local hospitality, and discover the hidden rhythms of a culture deeply rooted in its natural surroundings. No journey through Japan is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From delicate sushi and flavorful ramen to intricate wagashi sweets and steaming bowls of matcha, Japanese cuisine is a feast for the senses. It's a world where fresh, seasonal ingredients are transformed into culinary masterpieces. Imagine sitting at a sushi counter, watching as a master chef skillfully prepares each piece of nigiri, the freshest fish draped over perfectly seasoned rice. The taste is exquisite, a symphony of textures and flavors that dance on your tongue. But Japanese cuisine is about more than just taste. It's an art form, a philosophy that emphasizes balance, harmony, and respect for ingredients. Every dish is presented with an eye for aesthetics, a testament to the Japanese appreciation for beauty in all aspects of life. Each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions, offering a delicious journey of discovery for your taste buds. Tea is more than just a beverage in Japan. It's a ritual, an art form, a way of life. The Japanese tea ceremony, known as chanoyu, is a deeply spiritual practice rooted in Zen Buddhism. It's a meditation in motion, a celebration of simplicity, and a testament to the Japanese appreciation for mindfulness. Imagine entering a serene tea room, the air thick with the aroma of incense. As you sit quietly on the tatami mat, the tea master begins the meticulously choreographed ritual, each movement imbued with grace and meaning. The tea ceremony is a journey of the senses, the delicate taste of the tea, the sound of the whisk against the bowl, the aroma of incense, the feel of the tatami mat beneath you. It's an opportunity to connect with the present moment, to appreciate the beauty and simplicity, and to experience the tranquility at the heart of Japanese culture. Throughout the year, Japan comes alive with a vibrant tapestry of festivals, each one a celebration of tradition, history, or the changing seasons. From the exuberant parades of the Sanja Matsuri to the delicate beauty of the cherry blossom festivals, these events offer a glimpse into the soul of Japan. Imagine finding yourself caught up in the energy of the Aomori Nobuta Matsuri, where giant illuminated floats depicting mythical creatures and historical figures parade through the streets, accompanied by the rhythmic beat of drums and flutes. Or picture yourself strolling beneath a canopy of cherry blossoms during the Hanami festival, the delicate pink petals raining down like confetti. Whether you're witnessing the fiery passion of a summer dance festival or the quiet beauty of a lantern festival honoring the dead, these events offer a unique opportunity to connect with local communities, experience the true spirit of celebration, and create lasting memories. The fleeting beauty of the blossoms serves as a reminder of the ephemeral nature of life, a concept deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. To truly understand Japan, one must delve into the heart of its indigenous religion, Shinto. Often referred to as the way of the gods, Shinto is a nature-based belief system that reveres the spirits, or kami, that reside in all things. It's a religion without dogma, emphasizing purity, harmony with nature, and respect for tradition. Imagine standing beneath the towering torii gate of a Shinto shrine, the gateway between the mundane and the sacred. As you purify your hands and mouth at the Temizuya water pavilion, you prepare to enter a space where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds feels thin. These symbols are a reminder of the ever-present kami, the spirits that imbue the natural world with life and power. Shinto is not just a religion, it's a way of life, a lens through which the Japanese view the world. Japan is a nation forever in conversation with its past, effortlessly blending ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology. It's a place where you can sip matcha tea in a 1,000-year-old temple before hopping on a bullet train that travels at lightning speed. Imagine witnessing the juxtaposition of a futuristic cityscape like Tokyo, with its towering skyscrapers and neon lights, against the backdrop of Mount Fuji, a timeless symbol of Japan's natural beauty. Yet amidst this embrace of modernity, traditional values of respect, humility, and harmony still hold strong. This unique blend of old and new is what makes Japan so captivating. It's a country that embraces progress without forgetting its roots, a testament to the enduring power of tradition in a rapidly changing world. As we conclude our virtual odyssey through Japan, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder. From the majestic beauty of Mount Fuji to the bustling streets of Tokyo, from the ancient temples of Kyoto to the hidden hot springs nestled in emerald valleys, Japan is a country of endless fascination. We've explored its iconic landmarks, delved into its rich history and culture, and experienced the warmth of its people. Japan is a tapestry woven from threads of tradition and modernity, a country that embraces its past while boldly stepping into the future. So, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of Japan alive in your heart. The land of the rising sun awaits your return, ready to reveal even more of its hidden treasures.